Hello friends, in this video we will see division method to find the square root of a number. So how to find the square root of a number by division method? Now let's see. Here we are finding an example 9409. So how to find the square root of 9409? Now let's start. Number is 9409. First of all we have to make the pairs of the digits of the number from right to left. So first pair from right to left is 09 and second pair is 94. So first of all we have to make the pairs of the digits of the number from right to left. So I am writing the number with the pairs, first pair and second pair. Now we have to think about a single digit number whose square is less than 94 or equal to 94. Repeating again, we have to think about a single digit number whose square is less than 94 or equal to 94. So we are finding here the number is 9. So 9 nines are 81. 81 is close to 94. And now subtracting, getting the remainder 1, 3. Now for the second stage, we have to put here this 9 and we have to add this 9. So we have to put this 9 over here and we have to add these both 9s. So we are getting the result is 18. We have to keep a place for a digit. We have to keep a place for a digit for the second step. We have to keep a place for a digit. Now bringing down this pair 0, 9. Now we have to put a digit over here. We have to put a digit over here. If I am putting here 1, so number becomes 181. So I have to multiply the number by the same digit. The process says that put a digit over here as we have put 1 over here and multiply the number by the same digit and we got the result is 181, and 181 is very small comparative to 1309. So we will not put here 1. So we will try for the next. If we are putting here 3, so number becomes 183. So we have to multiply the number by the same digit. So we are getting here 3 3s are 9 and now 54. So this is 549. 549 is again very small comparative to 1309. So we are not going to put here 3. Now we are trying another digit and now 180. We are putting here 7. If we are putting here 7 and multiplying the number by the same digit, so we are getting here 7 sevens are 49, 9, carry 4, 7 8s are 56 and 4 60, carry 6, 7 1 is 7 and 6 13. So if we are putting here 7 and multiplying this 187 by 7, so 187 multiplied by 7, we are getting the result 1309, exact same. So our result, that means remainder is 0. Bringing down this 7 here to add and now getting the result 194. Whenever we are getting the remainder is 0 and this number is double of this number, this number is double of this number, so our process is correct and we can say the square root of 9409 is what? That is 97. So repeating the process again, first of all we have to make the pairs from right to left. Now we have to think about a single digit number whose square is less than 94 or equal to 94. So we are finding here 9 9s are 81, which is very close to 94. Now subtracting, we are getting the result 13. Then we are adding this 9 over here, and getting the sum 18. Bringing down the second pair and now the number becomes 1309 and here the sum is 18. We have kept a place for a digit. And now number is 1309 and now we have to put a digit over here. Then we have tried 1 3 and ultimately we have to put 7 over here. So multiplied 187 by 7 and got 1309. Remainder becomes 0. Again added this 7 over here and now got the sum 194, and this is double of this number. this is double of this number, so our process is correct. We are getting the remainder 0 and this is double of this, our process is correct, we can say. And now square root of 9409 is 97. Now we can see another example and doing the same way. Here we are finding 442. We are interested to get the square root of 442. In the previous example, we have seen that number was 9409 and its square root was 97. So we can say 9409 is the perfect square number, but here 442 is not a perfect square number because 441 is the square of 21. So this is not a perfect square. So we will get the result in decimals. So if we are interested to get the results in decimals, so how to proceed? Now let's see. Initially the method is same. 442 we have to write 442 and we have to make the pairs of the number from right to left. So pairs of the digit, first pair is 42 and second pair is 04. So we are going to make the pairs of the digits of the number from right to left. First pair is 42 and second pair is 04. If we are interested to get the result of the number up to 3 decimal place, so if I am putting here decimal, so 442 remains 442 and putting here 0. So again the number is as it is. So if we are interested to get the result of 442 up to 3 decimal places, so we have to put here 3 pairs of zeros. Numbers is not changing, but if we are putting a decimal here and after that we are placing 3 pair of zeros, so definitely we will get the result of 442 up to 3 decimal places. If we are interested to get the result of 442 up to 4 decimal places, so we have to increase one more pair of zeros. We have to increase one more pair of zeros. That means 3 pair of zeros provide us 3 decimal places, 4 pair of zeros provide us 4 decimal places. So we will moving with this number. So first pair is 04, second pair is 42. After the decimal we are placing 3 pair of zeros to get the result up to 3 decimal places. Now starting with the same, first pair is 04. We have to think about a single digit number whose square is less than 4 or equal to 4. So we are putting here 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 is exactly equal to the upper 4. Now result remainder is 0. Bringing down this 4 2 and now adding 2 over here and getting the result 4. Now we are keeping a place over here for a digit. So if I am putting here 1 in this place, if we are putting here 1, so number becomes 41. So we have to multiply the number by the same digit and getting the result 41. 41 is very close to 42. This is the second step of the question. 41 is very close to 42. So we can move with this 1. So we are keeping here 1 and multiplying 41 by the same digit 1. So 41 ones are 41. Now finding the remainder is 1. Adding this 1 over here and now getting the sum 42. Keeping a place over here for a digit. Now we have to bring down double zero in a pair of 0, but before that we are finding a decimal, so put the decimal over here and now bring down the first pair of zeros. If we are ready for the third step. If we are putting here 1, so number becomes 421. So we have to multiply the number by the same digit. So we will get 421 and 421 is greater than 100. So this number is smaller. If we are putting here the smallest digit, even though we are getting the number which is more than 100. 421 is more than 100. So what we have to do? We have to bring down the second pair. We have to bring down the second pair, but we are allowed to bring down one pair, and now we are going to bring down the second pair. We are allowed for one, but we are bringing down the second one, so we have to put here 0. Bringing down first pair, then bringing down second pair, so we are allowed to bring down one pair. If we are bringing down the second pair, so we have to keep here a 0, also a keep here 0, the same 0 here and here. Now keeping a place for a digit over here, keeping a place for a digit over here. Now if I am putting here 1, if I am putting here 1, we are moving for the third step. If we are putting here 1, 4201 is the number, and multiplying the number by the same digit, so we are getting the result is 4201, getting the result 4201, and which is very small comparative to 10,000. So now we are changing, we are putting here 2. So 4202 multiplied by the same digit 2, 2 to the 4, 0, 4, 8. So we are getting 8404. Now we can say 8404 is close to 10,000. If we are putting here 3, so getting a number which should be more than 10,000, so we are going with that 8404. So if we are putting here 2, so number becomes 4202 multiplied by 2. 4202 multiplied by 2, we are getting here 8404. Subtracting, we are getting here 6, 9, 5, 1, 1596 we are getting here. Now proceeding for the fourth step, how to proceed with the same method, putting here 2, adding, so we are getting 4204, keeping a place for a digit here, keeping a place for a digit here. Now number is 1509, bringing down the pair of zeros, and now putting here 1, so number becomes 42041. So multiplying the number by the same digit 1, so we are getting here 42041. So this is very small compared to this number, so we are putting here 2 or 3, we are trying to put here 3 right now. So 4204, 3 multiplied by 3, so we are getting a 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 0 3s are 0 and 1 3, 6, and now 12. So we can say 126329, 126329. Now this is close to this upper number, and we can subtract. Right now we are getting here 1, sorry 0, 1, sorry 1, it's 1, it's 1, 7, 2, 3, and now 3. If we are interested to, we have kept here 3, we have kept here 3 and multiplied the number by 3. We have kept here 3, multiplied the number by the same digit 3, and now got the result this one, subtracted, and now got the remainder this one. So if we are interested to create fourth digit of this number, fourth digit, so we have to keep here one pair of zeros again and bringing down this one, and for the same process we will get the fourth decimal place. But if we are interested to find the result up to 3 decimal places, so this is sufficient, and now the result of under root 442 is 21.023. If we are interested to create the fourth decimal place, so we have to increase the fourth pair of zeros, and now we have to bring down, and we can move in the same way for finding the other decimal places also. So this is the way to find the square root of the numbers by division method. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks all.